Gigantic, dominant. Experience the sheer power of heavy-duty forestry machines as they tackle the toughest landscapes. Get ready to be amazed by their immense scale and precise control. Think of it like this. Each log has its own story. When you cut, you're stepping into that story. You need to understand the wood, the energy it holds, and never take it for granted. Because those logs, they're unpredictable. Experience doesn't matter. Respect is key.
Well, now I know that what happened.
That event truly underscores the sheer force of nature and the precariousness of human existence in the face of such power.
You're not professional. It's not coming this way, right?
This MTZ 122 1.2 is no ordinary tractor. Belarus engineered a machine with serious power, and with that custom trailer, forget about it. It's a game changer for logging, proving that smart design beats a hefty price tag any day. Seeing this, I can't help but recall that catchy Dumb Ways to Die tune. It's a stark reminder of how easily things can go wrong. Dude scrolls, sees someone else doing cool stuff, and feels pumped.
Perfect.
Hayes dominates the West Coast. His physique and raw power are unmatched, earning him the title King. He's a force to be reckoned with. Wow, look at this giant. This Trembesi tree is absolutely massive. Can you believe how tall it is? It must be at least 100 feet high. And think about the width. It's wider than a house. These guys cutting it down are like superheroes with those chainsaws. Talk about a tough job.
it's best to tell them we've got a bit of a problem.
Whoa, wait a second. Cutting down trees is bad, but this is a whole other level of messed up. Ever wished for a driver that laughs in the face of a challenge? This ZIL 131 is it. Hills, dirt roads, heavy cargo, bring it on. This machine gives you total control and a seriously smooth ride. You'll be amazed. That man is protected by God, but that red car is not a lucky color. The Mibor SLH 1200 offers high-volume debarking with 1.2-meter diameter, 5-meter length capacity, remote operation, and precise controls, all for $125,000. This Carlton 7015 TRX is a game changer. With its remote operation and adjustable track system, you can access and grind any stump with minimal impact to your property. The 32-inch cutting wheel and 25-inch grinding depth make it a top performer in its class. What do you think about horse logging? It's a pretty amazing way to work with nature, don't you think? Share your thoughts in the comments. This old school technique is more relevant than ever as we look for sustainable solutions. This Morbark 640 debarker is a game changer. Engineered for maximum efficiency, it features heavy-duty steel conveyors and a smart hydraulic system that minimizes downtime. processing hardwood or softwood, the 640 delivers consistent results. It's a smart investment for any sawmill or pulp mill looking to boost productivity. The first time I saw the Quadco 27B, I was spellbound. Its massive frame and robust build exuded power and precision. The four autonomous arms, like a giant's grip, promised to master any tree, while the gleaming saw disc sparkled with lethal efficiency. More than just a machine, the 27B was a marvel of human ingenuity, built to conquer nature's toughest challenges. This log is proof. Never judge a book by its cover. Plain outside, stunning inside. And honestly, it's always a mini jump scare when he grabs it. The Cat 323 is built for unmatched power and durability. Its reinforced arm and 172 horsepower, Cat C 7.1 engine easily tackle tough roots and stubborn stumps with ease. After years in forestry, I've never seen a chipper like the Bandit 2550T. Its 49 horsepower Kohler engine delivers unbeatable power and efficiency. At $34,950, it's an investment worth making for any serious arborist, built to last for the long haul. Impressive precision and speed. With clean cuts and minimal wasted motion, this skilled logger demonstrates years of expertise. Five trees in 3 minutes. True mastery at work. The Valmet 921 is a powerhouse in forestry. With a Cummins engine and 21.5-ton capacity, it delivers serious strength. But it's not just muscle. Advanced controls boost efficiency while keeping its impact low. A true leader in its class. Experience the power and precision of the BH80EXC as its cutting mechanism effortlessly slices through dense wood with unmatched efficiency. The GSN 240 delivers precision and efficiency with its ultra-thin 2.3 millimeter kerf, minimizing waste and maximizing yield. Effortlessly handle hardwoods while consuming just 10 to 12 kilowatts per hour. Achieve up to 4 cubic meters per hour with a 19-blade setup, all starting at $19,000. Elevate your woodworking game today.
Heute Schädel kommt weg.
Imagine a world where we can harvest the resources we need without harming the planet. That's the promise of the Woody H60. It's not just a machine, it's a solution, a symbol of how we can work with nature, not against it. It looks like that truck is having a rough time navigating the muddy terrain. Definitely a challenging day for both the driver and the equipment. Holzwerke Ladenberger exemplifies the pinnacle of German engineering. Their fully automated production line seamlessly converts raw timber into flawless planks, showcasing unparalleled precision and efficiency. We hope you had a blast diving into the thrilling world of forestry with us. If you're craving more epic machinery action, don't forget to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, as always.